Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lola. I'm married mama of 4, and today is just another day in the life. I have a doctor's appointment today. We're going grocery shopping and just doing all the things, so I'm taking you along with me. Please don't be fooled. I don't make my bed every morning, but I do like when I get to make it because it just kind of makes the bed more inviting at the end of the day for me. I don't know why that is. But yeah, let's get today started. Why do you look like you want to go back outside? You can go back outside? You can go back outside? So I'm at my first doctor's appointment since my DNC surgery. I'm waiting for the doctor right now. And then I guess I will ask him all the questions that I want to ask him. Kevin is at home with the kids because we didn't want to, bring them along for this. So I will check back in with you guys shortly. So I am on my way to the store now. I left the doctor. Everything looks fine. Everything went well, surgery and all. This was my first doctor's appointment since, and it's been about, I want to say, now it's going on the 3rd week. So this was my first time seeing the doctor, since everything happened and since my DNC. And I got, cleared. Everything is fine. We have 4 more weeks, I believe, and then we'll be able to start trying again. So I will keep you guys updated with that. But other than that, I'm still waiting on results from the test to find out what the actual cyst and everything was on her. I believe it was on her spine. It wasn't on her neck because I didn't see anything when we got to see her. So it's on her actual spine. So whatever it is or was really detrimental to her health and life. So we're waiting on the tests for that. I think that takes actually when it's time for me to start trying again is I think a week before that maybe is when we'll get the results to find out everything. So I will keep you posted on that. Right now I'm just running to the store. And then after that, I headed back to the house, figure out dinner. Gonna do some random stuff today. Just had a few errands to run after my doctor's appointment. And that's about it. So I guess I will see you guys later on. chasing him down the aisle because I veer off somewhere else. Oh, I gotta get coffee. I gotta get coffee. Where's coffee at?
It's in the coffee aisle.
You don't say. Right here? No.
Regular coffee, you want K-cup?
No, K-cup.
K-cup's on the other side with the big sign that says K-cup.
Stop. Coffee. Okay, donut shop is really good. Let's see, but McCafe is really good too. So do I want McCafe or donut shop? I guess we'll do McCafe because I feel like we've been rocking together for a very long time, babe. This is a lot of coffee now. I feel like I'm not gonna drink all this anytime soon. Maybe I'll wait and get a smaller one because holy crap, this is a lot. And I like to try different coffee sometimes. Look at this box. She's trying to run for me. Excuse me. Little douchebag. Ooh, they have mermaid cereal. You heard me? I can see all of you. You're terrible hider. Look at how big this is.
You don't need this many.
I know what I'm saying. Like, that thing is huge.
You don't need that. You want to get it from Walmart then?
Maybe. There's mermaid cereal on the other aisle.
Mermaid cereal?
Yeah.
There's no mermaid cereal here.
There is mermaid cereal here. I just saw it. See? Told you. There's no mermaid cereal here.
Ooh, Spider-Man Popeyes.
Mermaid cereal.
Like,
I'm gonna go get it.
why? You're not even gonna eat it. It's gonna be just like the other cereals that you guys got that you never ate.
Do you guys want granola bars?
Huh?
Do you guys want granola bars? Oh, there's fruit cups too. Granola bars? Yay, nay?
Yay, man.
No, I said yay or nay. Like yes or no. Granola bars?
I want one of
These.
those Nature Valley ones.
The Nature Valley ones? Well, then I gotta get those from Walmart because they only have them in the small box.
Okay.
Granola bars are the worst.
Granola bars are not.
The Nature Valley ones are
These are good too. This crunchy granola snack mix that somebody apparently opened. Oh my god, you just don't like anything that's healthy.
It's not anything that's healthy.
You don't like anything that's healthy. I'm like, let's try asparagus. Asparagus is gross. Let's try granola bars. Granola bars are good. We are back from the store. I have to put away all the groceries now because Kevin actually left for work. He went in after we went grocery shopping, so now I am stuck with the task of putting all of this stuff away. Yay! I am actually trying this half and half. I think I've had Members Mark before, but I wanted to try it just to see how I like it. And then I got some heavy whipping cream for some stuff that I'm gonna make. And yeah, some snacks, some broccoli. And then I'm trying these wax cubes right now at the moment. They smell so good in the pack, so let's see how they go. I don't know what, something.
Mommy.
Yes. What are you doing? Holding onions. Okay, you want to put them down because they're kind of heavy.
No, just stronger.
Okay, I haven't had a chance to. But yeah, so off to, this rub tastes so good. I've had it on, what do we have this on? I can't remember what we put it on, but it's so good on like a lot of stuff. So when we make some stuff, I will do a recipe for it. And then this one is really good too. We have this on asparagus. So good, such a good seasoning. So if you're in Sam's, grab the garlic parmesan and grab the chili lime rub because they're both delicious. I've been like loving these on the grill. So good with butter and see, it's the gnat. The gnat is back, guys. Like, this gnat has been tormenting me for like the last few days. he just will not die. And every time I try and kill him, he flies away somehow. Like, he is a little nightmare, and I just want him to fly out the door. We actually, since we went grocery shopping, I need to clean this pantry out and organize it some. So while I am putting away groceries, I will be doing this as well. So stay tuned.
You're on my mind, you know. You're on my mind, you know. You're on my mind, you know.
I put a couple waters in the fridge, but I have to put those in the garage. But I forgot to update last night. I cleaned and reorganized the pantry for now. I just kept the same organizing bins that I got from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. I just kept those for now because our pantry is like decently small. There's not really, you know, much you can do, but this just makes it a little easier. The only thing I really separate into clear containers are cereals, so we can see what they are, and then we don't have like giant bulky bags everywhere. Other than that, I don't pour like spices or oatmeal or anything like that in those clear type of containers. They look great, but they're just not practical for me because I do not have the time to separate oats from each other. Like, I don't have time for that. So oatmeal, as you can see, stays in its little container up there. It has a lid and everything anyway, and it says oatmeal, so I know what it is. But yeah, cereals are the only thing that we put in clear containers, and I don't label them because they know what they are just by looking at them. So yeah, this is the cleaned pantry.